I was gonna tell her, but it's one of those things where she's doing her thing over there, innit? So it's like, I ain't trying to get involved too much. Yo, shorty, I need that. See, you got your little Insta fame. Didn't get your number, but I got your Insta name. So many likes on Insta, but I'm gonna need Insta game. Showed you to my brothers, now they're trying to memorize your Insta name. I'm in studio, tripping over your Insta page. All of this flexing, girl, and I don't know.
Alrighty guys, let's get started. So I'm just taking my SPF and mixing it with my Glow Pot ACE moisturizer, and we're going to moisturize. It's a shame I didn't moisturize my hands or my lips because they are both dry as hell. But I'm just gonna moisturize. Get some SPF in you. I don't care how black you are, you need SPF, alright? I'm telling you, and make your skin nice and even. Look how my skin's looking here. It's kind of alright, right?
Memories and melodies, and I know what you figuring. Yeah, you got me singing like I'm jagged edge.
So I'm taking my Collection 3000 powder, and I'm just gonna powder my nose. You know, because I don't really prime. As I've said like 1,000 times on this channel, I'm gonna say it again. I just powder the areas that get oily, which is my nose for me. Powder, 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 powder. And then I'm going to take my Bourjois Baddie foundation, Health Mix foundation. I really like this foundation. It's almost similar to like a NARS Sheer Glow Natural Radiant, I guess. I can't pick which one of the two, but it's really nice. I'm trying to show you the shade, but it's not working. The camera won't pick it up. But I'm using the shade 61. Warm cappuccino, almond cappuccino. I don't know. It will be in the description box anyway. So yeah, just beauty blending that look, just getting that right. Get it down your neck, girl. Get it down your neck.
Yeah, you got me singing like I'm jagged edge. So baby, pour that Hennessy. Hey, yeah. All these memories and melodies, and I know what you figuring. No, I don't, no, I don't. Yeah, you got me singing like I'm jagged edge. So baby, pour that Hennessy. Yeah, if you see her though, please look, I beg you, do me this one favor. If you see Tiana major, tell her we can do this major, baby.
I'm running out of my concealer. I need to restock. I barely got any of the stuff left. I should have actually checked this before I started filming. Taking my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C13. I'm just putting that under my eyes and then wherever else. Sorry, I'm really out of breath. I just went up the stairs. Let me catch my breath. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just, yeah, this ain't nothing new. Concealing, yeah? Yeah, alright, cool. Just taking my smaller, rounder beauty blender now. I use a separate beauty blender for concealer. Just blending that all out. Make sure to really blend out the edges, get it all blended out. Obviously, I'm going to speed up clips and stuff, and I cut out and edit, but you need to take your time. Sorry, my head's itchy. You need to take your time. This is so unprofessional. You need to take your time when blending out concealer and stuff, because you don't want to have like those lines of demarcation and stuff. So just take your time, blend, blend, blend. As you can see, I've put some on the corner of my mouth as well. Corner of my mouth. So I've only got the one mouth. The corner of my mouth. To create like a reverse contour type of effect. I learned that from Mahina makeup. It's quite cool. Makes your makeup look really nice. So yeah, you know, yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished, but I'm not. I'm taking my Revolution. I forgot the name of this one. It's the other concealer, not the Conceal and Define one. Using the color C12 just to brighten up the under eye now. When we're brightening up the under eye, don't go too crazy. Just a little bit goes a long way. Okay, and I'm also taking my Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C16 to not contour, but I use it more to warm up the face / contour. I don't really like a harsh dark line contour. I like to warm up the face so I have a good base for my bronzer, really and truly. Don't know what you guys would call that, but yeah, we're just gonna do that now. And yeah.
I wanna be the one you call when you're falling. Yeah, plus I'm trying to be your first thoughts in the morning. Second thoughts, I really wanna hear it in the morning. I don't feel you getting drawn out, I just keep working on my drawing until you get drawn in. It's funny cause I hear your body calling, and I feel I'm gonna pick up now. If you wanna smoke, we can pick up now. So holler when you hit her now. And invite this young hitter round, I gotta pull you like up. these memories and melodies, and I know what you're figuring. Yeah, you got me singing like I'm jagged edge, so baby pour that Hennessy. Hey, yeah, all these memories and melodies, and I know what you're figuring. No, I don't, no, I don't. Yeah, you got me singing like I'm jagged edge, so baby pour that Hennessy. Yeah, if you see her though, please look, I beg you, do me this one favor. If you see Tiana major, tell her we can do this major, baby. Do me this one favor. If you see Tiana major, tell her we can do this, baby.
Now I'm just setting all that concealer with my collection 3000 powder. Oh, I'm using the shade Translucent 03. If anyone's, I'll put it in the description box anyway, but yeah. Just setting it all together, make sure it's all set. I kind of went OTT with the powder here though, like a little bit, but it's okay because some spray will take care of that, so it's alright. Don't watch that.
Yeah, I was gonna tell her, but it's one of those things where she's doing her thing over there, innit? So it's like, I ain't trying to get involved too much. Yeah.
It's just dawned on me that I don't actually have a drugstore face powder. I'm gonna go powder my face, and I'll be back. Un momento. I'm about to apply some lashes. The lashes I'm gonna wear today, ooh, mascara, are from MXB lashes. I'm wearing the style Zenzi. The packaging's in my room, so I bought these yesterday, and they're just like right up my street. I love that when they reached out to me, they were like, we know what lashes you like, we've looked at your Instagram profile, we noticed you like this, and it just shows that like they care. Like, I like when brands actually show that they have interest in the person they're contacting, because these lashes they sent me right up my street. They must have been watching my feed, boy, because they know what I like. So yeah, I'll leave the links and stuff in the description box. Make sure to check them out and show them mad love on my behalf. Okay? MXB lashes. When I apply them, I'm gonna show you what they look like as well.
You got me singing like I'm jagged edge, so baby pour that Hennessy. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say before. I wanna take you around the city, but it's boring.
I'm gonna bring you guys in on a good bronzer. This is the Nip+Fab Contour palette in 03 Dark. I use it as a bronzer. You can use it as a contour, but that's not what I'm doing today. I'm gonna use the warmer shade, which is, yeah, it's quite warm. It's not really cool. So this shade here, which is tan, I'm gonna use that to bronze today. So it's a good drugstore bronzer. I don't know how it will work for deepest. I'm sad. Listen, my deep chocolate sisters, I'm sorry. Listen, I'm gonna do a video on bronzers, and I'm gonna make sure to include some that you guys can use too. Please don't come and kill me. But yeah, so here you go.
No, I don't, no, I don't. Yeah, you got me singing like I'm jagged edge, so baby pour that Hennessy. Yeah, if you see her though, please look, I beg you.
My lashes, aren't they cute? MXB lashes, thank you guys so much. These lashes are so up my street. Like, so up my street. These are on the style Zenzi. Everything will be in the description box. I know you guys kill me because I don't put my lashes in the description box, but yeah, real cute. If you don't like a dramatic lash, you don't need to come and tell me you don't like it. It's fine. Me, I like a dramatic lash. Thank you very much. Anyways, moving on to highlight, which I'm going to be using my Kiko 208. Look what I've got left of this stuff, please. Pitiful. For the sake of staying true to the drugstore, I'm gonna just use my NYX Dewy Finish spray on its own. Normally I'd use this and the matte over it, but I've run out of the matte one, so I'm just gonna use this because I'm not really going anywhere today. Like, I need my makeup to stay on all day anyways, it's fine. I let my face dry, sort out my hair, talk about my hair when I get back, and finish off the look. So be right back. I'm back and my hair is actually, back a little bit. I'm back and my hair is actually done. So yeah, this is the wig that was unglued at the beginning. I've glued it down just using my Got To Be spray. I don't know what video is gonna come out first, this one or my vlog, but in my vlog I don't know what's gonna come out first. I think my vlog's gonna come out after this. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what order I'm going to do it in, but let's suppose my vlog comes out first. in my vlog, this hair is ghost bonded down as an install. In this, I took it out yesterday using rubbing alcohol, and I've just got to be sprayed it down because I need to take this hair out again because I'm doing my hair tomorrow. But yeah, this is the hair. It's a full lace wig, guys. I am like a full lace wig stan at the moment. I really love them. Like, they're just so convenient. I don't even know why I didn't consider doing more of them often before, because they're really convenient. But I think I was just skeptical about like not being in control of how my wig is constructed. But this is really good. It's from Nadula hair. Let me stand up and show you guys. I don't know what it comes up to. My thing's dirty. Wow. It's 26 inches. And yeah, I really like this hair. I dyed it jet black using the Garnier Olia hair dye. Let me finish my makeup while I'm talking to you guys. But yeah, I really like this hair. Like, I really like this hair. It's so silky, soft and buttery. And like I said in my vlog, I'm gonna say it again, I feel like a lot of hair vendors are slacking when it comes to delivering that buttery straight hair. Whereas before, like, I feel like hair vendors were rubbish at giving out good curly hair. Now it's kind of swapped. It's like curly hair is becoming better, but straight hair, they're kind of slacking. In my opinion, you guys let me know. I've had to turn down a lot of like lucrative offers because the hair just wasn't up to par for me anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna just apply on mascara. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys who did my hair. So this hair was installed and customized by Hair Virtue. So some things that patient Hair Virtue said about the hair was that the hair is really good. The lace is a tiny bit dark, which is great if you're deeper than me, but if you're like my kind and above, it's fine. I made it blend anyway, so it's fine. The knots bleached quite well. And what else did she say that was really good about the hair? She said something, I forgot what it was. She's a professional, she was impressed by the hair, in case you guys are wondering. Shipping was done by Deepex. I know some of you hate Deepex, but they're becoming more efficient to me. I don't know if it's just in my area, but they're becoming more efficient at last. All you have to do with Deepex is once you need to email them and ask them for your, if you're in the UK, I don't know how it works in other countries. If you're in the UK, email them and ask them for your Royal Mail or Yodel tracking number. Ask them and they'll give it to you. That will help you track it in the UK as well, so you know when it's gonna come and stuff, because Deepex don't deliver in the UK, Royal Mail or Yodel deliver on their behalf, kind of thing. But yeah, that's it on the hair really. I don't know if I mentioned, I dyed it jet black, so it hasn't been dyed. It has been dyed. I used the Garnier Olia in jet black, which by the way, I can keep saying it, best hair dye for dyeing with jet black in my opinion. You don't have to agree, that's fine, but I'm telling you, it's great. Because I slept with this hair because it was originally installed with Ghost Bond, I actually have a good review, like a solid review of how it is in terms of shedding and tangling. Because wearing your hair as a wig that you take on and off every day, like, it's all well and good we talk about it not shedding and tangling, but hair performs a lot better when it's taken off your head. When you have to sleep with hair now, it's a different story. I found that I didn't really get much tangling. I've got a bit of naping? A bit of naping, is that the word? Naping, like at the back, which is effective, but nothing unbearable. It's the same amount of naping I'd get actually if I was wearing the wig as a regular on and off daily wig, actually. Not a lot of tangling, like, it was still manageable, and that's how this is actually some good hair, because sleeping with hair is the true test of how good hair is. All links will be in the description box, and I thought I had something else to say, but I forgot. No, that's it. All links will be in the description box. Make sure you guys check out Nadula hair. I'm staring into the distance. Make sure you guys check out Nadula hair for this gorgeous hair. I recommend you guys get this lace wig because, you know, I know we're trying to have a hot girl summer, but even the hot girls need a basic black wig to wear from time to time. You get me? You get me? Okay. So, lip gloss. I'm not even centered to the. Let me get closer. I feel like I'm so far. I feel so distant. Anyways, lip gloss time. So, I'm going to line my lips with my Drugstore fave that I use all the bloody time. The Rimmel Brow Pencil. I love this to line my lips. I find that when I use like warm brown pencils, like chestnut, for lip gloss, it doesn't work. It only works for matte nude lips, but for lip gloss, it doesn't suit me for some reason. Who knows why that is, but anyway, so I line my lips. And I'm gonna take my Kiko, one of my favorite 3D Hydro Lip Gloss. I thought I lost this, but I found it on my bed. Hydro Lip Gloss in number 19. This is like one of the most, it's not Drugstore, it's the most affordable lip gloss that I own. Because I spend money on lip glosses, I can't lie. It's the one thing where I always splurge. Oh, I love this stuff. Alright guys, that is it. I'm like cute, ready to go, ready to leave. I need to reglue this because it's lifting a little bit. I need to reglue this properly, but I'll do that now. Anyways guys, we're done. Look at this, Drugstore beat. All Drugstore, no undrugstore, no high end, all Drugstore. Well, all Drugstore, yeah, it's all Drugstore beat. I look cute. See, I just wanted to show you guys because I feel like I always use like quite high end products in my normal makeup videos. I want to do like a thing because on a day-to-day basis I actually wear Drugstore makeup all the time. I have not got money to be stacking up. Stop making noise! It didn't stop. I don't know what they're doing. I want to think my neighbour heard me. I have not got money to be stocking up on my high-end stuff all the time. I really don't have coins. I don't have coins like that. So I like to use them when I need to use them on a day-to-day basis like today. It's all Drugstore, baby. But yeah, I want to show you guys that Drugstore products are bomb, even though they're not even as affordable as they used to be. But yeah. It looks cute or whatever. Anyways, I'm a girl now. I've got places to be. Yeah. You guys have fun, stay blessed, be blessed, alright? Make sure you check out Nadula hair on your way out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Oh, follow me on my socials, especially Instagram. You need to follow me on Instagram because I post pretty cool pictures on there. Can't lie, I be looking like a painting on the gram. I need all of you to appreciate that.